Hello angels, today I have a really easy DIY for you. It is a rustic looking decorative plate that I made for the coffee table in my living room to put the remote controls on, and at the moment I'm using it for the candles. All I needed for this were 4 supplies from the Dollar Tree, and I did end up using some E6000 later. A charger plate, nautical rope, some river rock, and I did add twine later. It's a pretty self-explanatory DIY, but I wanted to record it anyway. Just added some nautical rope on the outer edge of the plate. Went in and added my rock. And this is where I ended up going back later and adding some E6000, which I really should have done to start with, but live and learn. This did not even take a full bag of rock, so you'll have some left over. Then added some, lost my train of thought again. Went and added some nautical rope on the inner edge of the plate. And since this is going in the living room that my husband kind of has domain over decorating, it's got a more rustic wildlife looking theme to it. So that's why I picked this. I asked him about the twine. He said he liked the twine draped over it better, so I did go in and add just randomly twine over the rocks. And you could use this to hang on a wall, or like I ended up doing with the candles, pretty much anything. I have a gray charger plate that I'm going to use white rock on and see how that turns out. But this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and would absolutely love if you subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.